So here we have the Ford Transit on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of space in the back of the van as well. It's all been ply lined, as you can see. We have a sliding side door just here and a full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and beneath that, it will show you what gear the van is in. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment. Above that, we have the main trip computer section, which includes the total miles of 10,262. And above that, a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there by using a button on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and vehicle information. And the button I was using to do that is just here. We've also got stereo and phone controls. Beneath that, stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center, we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the audio menu at the moment. You can see that we have AM, FM, and DAB radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. This vehicle also has two separate USB inputs as well. So one just in front of the driver there, and the other down here. And there's a 12-volt charging socket next to each of those as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your own music in this car, as well, of course, as listening to the radio. We go back to the home screen up here. This is where you pair up your phone. Just hit Add Phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
And follow the instructions on screen from there. We go back to the home screen now. You've got your main volume for the stereo just there, and you can skip tracks for your music as well, tune the radio, etc. from there if you'd rather do that than use the touch screen. Below that, if we move the gear lever out of the way, you'll see that we've got the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the vehicle with that button. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, heated passenger seat, heated front screen, and heated mirrors as well. And then lastly, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, on the side of which we have the plus and minus button. That's so that you can change gears manually on this automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.